Recon Man. Got us a vinyl repair on this armrest on the driver's seat of a Honda Odyssey. Get it cleaned up. Gonna use the low temp vinyl compound, my low temp heat gun, along with a graining pad. We'll get it repaired up. While I'm mixing up the colors, those are my test patterns. That one's pretty close. Now I just got to add some yellow. Yellow will take that blue tint and turn it to the gray. Probably 2 or 3 drops of yellow will change that dramatically. And here's the repair. So that one there, those 3 drops of yellow changed it quite a bit. Not quite enough. There's the latest. Needs more yellow and brown. That last one right there's, I added more brown, not yellow. And it is really close. Just a little bit of blue still showing. I think I'm going to do 2 drops of yellow. Right there is my latest test pattern. You can see it. I'll do a fresh one. The sun's on. It's close. I think this one's it. You want it straight in the sun. That's it. That was 3 more drops of yellow. I'm going to do 2 more. This one here was 3 more drops of yellow, and that one is it. That's an exact match. Love it. Be back with the finished product. Back with the finished product. We dyed the whole face of the seat. We got the repair. That wraps this one up. Catch you on the next one. Later.